Today I'm going to read to you a really interesting book that I got on Epic. Did you know that Epic is free right now? Just ask Mom and Dad to help you create an account. You can read so many books on there for free. This book is going to help us understand the butterfly life cycle. It's called From Egg to Butterfly by Shannon Zamuka. How does an egg become a butterfly? Follow each step in nature's cycle from egg to brightly colored insect in this fascinating book. From Egg to Butterfly. Step 1. A mother lays eggs. A butterfly starts as an egg. A mother butterfly lays her eggs on a plant. This picture shows eggs close up. The eggs are really tiny. Can you see them? The eggs hatch. Sometimes the eggs grow for a few days. Other times they grow for months. Then they hatch. A caterpillar comes out of each egg. A caterpillar looks like a fat worm with legs. Can you see what he's doing there? The caterpillar eats. The caterpillar is very hungry. It eats its eggshell, and then it eats green plants. The caterpillar grows. Eating makes the caterpillar grow. It gets bigger and bigger, but its skin does not grow. The skin becomes very tight. It fits like a coat that is too small. This part reminds me of a book I know, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. Then the caterpillar sheds its skin. The caterpillar's skin splits open. A new skin grows under it. The new skin fits just right. The caterpillar wriggles out of the old skin. This is called molting. A shell forms. The caterpillar grows and molts, and then it hangs from a branch. It molts again. This time, a hard shell forms around it. The caterpillar has become a pupa. The body changes. The pupa stays inside the shell. It grows and changes. Wings form. What is happening? The pupa has turned into a butterfly. When the shell cracks, its body cracks the shell. The butterfly crawls out. It is soft and wet. That's an important part. The wings open. The butterfly rests. It opens its wings slowly. Sun and air dry the wings. The caterpillar is not able to fly as soon as it comes out of its egg shell. It has to dry its wings first. Fly, fly away. The butterfly is ready to fly. It has grown from egg to butterfly.